other materials that we're going to need is water and flour to create the paste for the paper mache. And we'll do 1 part of each. So right here I have 1 cup of water and 1 cup of flour. And obviously to mix it together, you're going to need a mixing bowl. So now I'm going to add the water. As well as flour. Plop that in there. And then we're going to need a spoon or some sort of material to be able to mix it together. You can do this prior to the activity so that it's not so time consuming. And you want to have an ample amount of cut paper because with the paper maches you're going to want to do at least 3 layers, potentially 4 if you need to. Take a strip and you're gonna dip it fully in the mix so that it's covered on both sides. And you want to make sure you put down some paper below the area you're working in or the children are working in because it might get a little messy. So you want to remove the excess and we will apply the first strip onto the balloon like so.
This is our song. Gather all your friends and come and sing along. Mercury is small, hot and fiery. Venus is bright, shiny and sparkly. Earth is home for you and me. Mars has Martians that are really funny. This is our song. Gather all your friends and come and sing along. Jupiter is strong and very big. Saturn is the one with so many rings. Uranus is cold and far away. Neptune is last but here to stay.
Once the paper mache has dried, the next step is to pop the balloon and remove it from the structure. So you could use a pair of scissors that you use to cut the newspaper or use a push pin. I'm going to use a push pin. Pop it, there we go, without ripping the structure. So the balloon's deflating, but kind of try to keep a hold of it so that it doesn't get stuck, and remove it like so. And if you desire, you can cover the hole you made with an extra strip, but for the example, I'll just leave it for now. The next step is to paint it. You are going to need a diagram of the planet in front of you so that you know the coloring and the texture and the features of the planet. You can obtain this from the internet or from a book. The other materials that we are going to be needing is paint, a paintbrush of a sort. I have chosen to use a sponge brush so that it'll be quicker, and water or something to dip the brush in. So we're going to start painting the planet, which I determined is going to be Mars, and Mars is red with kind of a little orangish hue. So we're going to be using some red paint. I'm going to dip the brush in water, kind of preserve the paint.
version of the solar system can be displayed by hanging it on the ceiling with fishing lines.